And next school is Tummanpet, ZPHS Tummanpet. B. Hemalata 9th class first rank 518, Pranita 9th class second rank 516, K. Ganesh 10th class first rank 536, B. Anil 10th class second rank 529. తుమ్మన్పేట ఇప్పుడు తుమ్మన్పేట So Tummanpet students, Hemalata, Pranita, Ganesh and Anil. So they are Tummanpet students. Next, Tribal Welfare Ashram High School, Banala. Shankar 9th class first rank 486, Shivakumar 9th class second rank 470, Jatawat Naveen 10th class first rank 538, Sharon second rank 487. Next school, Tribal Welfare Ashram High School, Chenchugudem. Ratlawat Bhagya 9th class first rank 520, Kukkamudi Diksha 9th class second rank 500, Ketawat Sandhya 10th class 521, Nagilla Deepika second rank 516. Next school, KGBV Lingal, Manusha 9th class first rank 547, Pooja Sri 9th class second rank 537, Shivani 10th class first rank 545, Nandini second rank 531. So next school, PM Sri ZPHS Ambatlapalli, Vaishnavi 9th class first rank 528, Akhil second rank 465, P. Suhani 10th class first rank 538, Shushma second rank 532. 45. 45. Okay. 14 on mine. Okay. So next school, JPHS Lingal, Bunny 9th class first rank 530, Pawan second rank 466, Bindu Madhavi 10th class first rank 570, Meenakshi second rank 541. Next school, NJPT GBCWR School Boys, Ambatlapalli, Ajay 9th class first rank 542, Shivakumar second rank 533, Teku Umesh Chandra 10th class first rank 579, Menta Samson second rank 574, Gurram Yeshwan second rank 574. 5 months. Next school PM Street EGS WREIS Lingal, Bollu Shashiman 9th class first rank 543, Vinay Kumar second rank 514, VP Dinakar 10th class first rank 544, Dashrath Bhanu 10th class second rank 543. So next school Tribal Welfare Ashram Girls PS Lingal, Beckham Akshita 9th class first rank 430, Agani Ashwini second rank 427, Polamuri Ramya 10th class first rank 530, Aluwala Bhargavi second rank 529. Tribal Welfare Ashram Girls Lingal. Next school Government Tribal Welfare Ashram High School Udimilla, Jalla Padmavati 9th class first rank 408, Shivaleela second rank 400, Deshavat Kavya first rank 526, M Swati 10th class second rank 519. Yeah.
Next.